Hi, my name is Megan Anderson. I'm an ambassador of Girl Scouts and I am doing my last part of my gold award. Right now we are going to be showing you guys how to make a blanket with our local seamstress, Rastamble.
Once you have your fabric, you want to keep it the same way, so you're really not trimming anything. All you're going to do is trim the sides, okay? When you're ready to sew, you put your feet on the pedal. And you have to make sure that you don't put your hand right here on the band. And you never put your fingers close to the needle, to here. And you never pull the fabric, so you don't have that the needle will break, okay? So you always have to let the machine do the work. You don't pull it or try to, you let just the machine to do the job. 1 inch wide, okay? To give it that nice blanket feel, okay?
This is the final product from the blanket that we just made.